With 20 gang-related shootings since January, Grant County's gang problem is bad and it's getting worse. KXLY4's McKay Allen just returned from Grant County and found that the Sheriff's Department is trying to find new ways to find and fight them. McKay?
Yeah, well, there's 300 known gang members in the county. The gang wars that used to be nothing more than fights with spray paint are becoming more violent. So now Grant County is busting out the big guns, cameras.
Very few cops and lots of space.
Gangs are nothing new in Grant County, but this year it's worse.
Since January, we've had 20 occasions where there have been shootings involving gang members.
Significantly more than ever before.
Usually we get one or two, maybe three in a year. But in 6 months we have 20.
Drastic times call for drastic measures and a new crime-fighting tool.
I believe it's going to help us out a lot.
This camera, it's being used around the country to stop all sorts of crimes.
It's been useful in many different communities for graffiti, gang activity, vandalism, illegal dumping.
They cost between $5,000 and $7,000 each.
These cameras will be used to try to stop basic gang activity, everything from graffiti to violent acts, and they can be set on motion detection or even start taking pictures at certain times of the day or night and put on anything that can see a distance.
Power poles, walls, anywhere, they simply take pictures and cops look at those pictures.
Download the photographs like from the night before or the day before or anytime they're called down there.
Without the cameras, it's nearly impossible to ID the bad guys.
You can't ever catch them. Very seldom do you ever catch them in the act.
But with the cameras, maybe they can.
Now, all this is pending budget approval, of course, but if the Sheriff's Department has their way, there will be several of these cameras set up in the next couple of months, from Mattawa to Warden and Moses Lake and everywhere in between. Reporting live, McKay Allen, KXLY4 HD News.